Hi, today I will tell you about the new version of our flagship data analysis software, PS IMAGO PRO. For most of you, this is a well-known tool in your work, analytical, research or teaching. Its unique analytical capabilities are due to the use as a data analysis engine of the standard in this field, SPSS Statistics. As part of PS IMAGO PRO, we have extended it with dozens of new procedures for working with data, analysis and visualization, enriched it with components for creating reports based on result objects, tools for report distribution and process automation. This is what PS IMAGO PRO is all about. In the latest version of PS IMAGO PRO 10.0, with the SPSS Statistics 2902 engine, you will find 66 procedures for working with data. Among them are two new chart types that are not only attractive but also extremely useful, namely the scale graph and the correlation map, new procedures for working with text data, split text and string count, a split data procedure to help organize data, and new dialogues for all our procedures. Now it's time for the details. First up are the new visualizations. A scale graph is a visualization that allows us to represent graphically a set of variables measured on the same scale, for example 1 to 5 or 0, 1. Using it instead of comparing several or a dozen separate graphs for each variable, we get these results on a single visualization. This makes it easy to see, for example, which features of our services are the most important to customers or which products are the least appreciated. In addition, we can include neutral responses in the chart or include a legend. This visualization is truly tailor-made. Another new feature is the correlation map. It allows us to present the relationships between multiple pairs of features in a single chart. We have a choice of 4 measures of correlation: Pearson's R, R-squared, Kendall-Staubbe, and Spearman's rho. The strength of the relationship between pairs of features is differentiated by color saturation or a red-green gradient. Such a graph facilitates the analysis of large sets of variables, and its readability can be further enhanced by filtering out statistically insignificant correlations. And now it's time for new procedures that organize data. Split text is a procedure by which a single text variable can be split into multiple new variables. Splitting can be done according to the character or string entered, or accordingly to a fixed width. This procedure is particularly useful when a variable may contain more than one text value in a single record, for example a list of recently purchased products separated by commas. The next new feature is the string count procedure. It allows a text variable to be analyzed for the frequency of occurrence of words, whole phrases, or specific character sets. As a result of its operation, we can, for example, check whether and how often terms such as room, unique, or Wi-Fi occur. Preparing data for analysis will also be improved by the split data procedure. It allows us to divide a dataset into multiple subsets without having to laboriously select subgroups of data and save each dataset separately. It is sufficient to indicate a split variable, and as many data files will be created as many categories of this variable are, for example sales regions or months. The procedure allows flexible management of the names of created files based on user preferences. And last but not least, the Predictive Solutions procedure dialogues have been rewritten. With this, we can realize variable sorting, selection by level of measurement, or quick switching between variable names and labels. Small changes, but gratifying, and makes working with data more efficient. And what we can find in the new version of the SPSS Statistics Analytical Engine 2902? I draw particular attention to the data editor within the overview functionality. It facilitates a holistic view of the data, providing basic information about the collection, variable types, levels of measurement, or missing data. It also facilitates access to detailed information for individual variables in the form of graphs and summary statistics. Another thing worth noting are the new analytical routines. Parametric frailty effect models for survival analysis, and centiles, which allows the calculation of arbitrary percentiles using one of the 5 available methods for their estimation. SPSS Statistics 2902 offers a number of enhancements for selected procedures, including, for example, new options in the linear regression procedure, Youden index for ROC curves, eBlab export, and redesign Cox regression window. In summary, in PS IMAGO Pro 10, we have 2 new analysis routines, 2 new chart types, 2 routines for transforming text variables, and 1 data preparation routine. I encourage you to test not only all the new features presented, but also other 66 PS IMAGO Pro procedures. You can find more information about PS IMAGO Pro on our website. I also invite you to read the articles on our blog, some of which are written by me. Have a great day and work effectively and efficiently with PS IMAGO Pro.